In this tutorial, I will show you how to select and change colors in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size to start a new project. Set the canvas size to something simple like 100 pixels for the width and 50 pixels for the height. Then click Create New Design. After the editor opens, go to the Elements tab on the left side and add a simple shape such as a square or a circle to your canvas. Next, click on the shape to select it. When the element is selected, you will see a color box appear in the top toolbar. Click on the color box to open the color panel. Here you will see different color options, including default colors, recently used colors, and custom colors. To change the color, simply click on any color from the palette and the element will update instantly. If you want a specific color, click the plus icon and enter a hex color code or use the color picker to choose your exact shade. You can use this same method to change colors for text, shapes, backgrounds, and other elements in Canva. That is how you select and change colors in Canva.